On this episode, it's a channel update, a talk about this new mysterious host, and we'll go over future projects in the next coming videos. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. But before you get too disappointed, don't worry, it's still me. I just grew this sweet new beard for the winter. Anyways, I thought I'd give you a bit of an update on the channel, since it's been a few months since we've made any videos. Just to recap quickly, the last few videos we have been working on the Jeep for my younger daughter. It's been on the road, she drove it all summer. Very happy with that. Everything's been going well. The Rabbit convertible before that, my older daughter has been driving that. She's been cruising around town, and they've both actually gone off to university. So you're probably thinking, that's fantastic! So much more room in the garage. The driveway should be empty. Lots of room for a new project. So let's go check it out. So you might be thinking, those aren't new projects. Those are the projects that we're supposed to leave with the girls to university. Well, due to logistics, or weather, or reliability, neither of the vehicles went off to university with the daughters. They're both here, in my garage and in the driveway. So that's what we're going to be working on over the next few episodes. I've got no room for a new project, and both these vehicles need a little bit of TLC to get them nice and reliable and safe for the daughters to continue driving. So let's just go over what we've got to work on in the next few episodes. So as you can see, the Rabbit's in the garage. We didn't do a whole lot of mechanical work on the Rabbit. It was mostly body work, and Mackenzie has been driving it for almost 3 years now. Been happy. She's even done some treks through the mountain passes here in British Columbia. Highly advised by me, but she only got stranded once, so that's pretty good. Anyways, this car has always had electrical issues, and they've kind of gotten worse, as we also had a bit of a leak with the windshield, which was basically just dripping down onto the fuse box, which kind of compounded the electrical issues we were having. And now it's even developed a bit of an exhaust leak. So we're going to be working on that on this vehicle. The Jeep is actually pretty good. It's got, I think it needs a little bit of work on the brakes. And we're going to do a little bit of repairs on the rear of the frame as well. It's starting to show a little bit of rust. So we're going to try and take care of that before it gets any worse. And then as far as my own project, if you've watched all the videos on this channel, and I hope you have, you know that I do have a 2002 Harley-Davidson Road King Classic. Well, as I was preparing it for a fantastic summer vacation this past summer, turns out that the cam chain tensioner exploded, and that all needs to be replaced. So I'm hoping to do a video on that in the coming episodes as well. So we got lots of work to do on the Rabbit, the Jeep YJ, and hopefully the Harley-Davidson. So stay tuned, and I hope that you continue to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time on Analog Generation.